Bonjour et bienvenue dans un nouveau vidéoblog. Comme vous le constatez dans ces somptueuses images, nous ne sommes pas en France. Nous sommes carrément à Berlin. Mais qu'est-ce qu'ils ont été faire à Berlin, me diriez-vous? Eh bien, dans la catégorie Grande Rencontre, on est venu ici pour en faire une, ou voire même pour en faire plutôt deux. Peter Capaldi et Gina Coleman. Oui, vous avez bien entendu, Doctor Who. Doctor Who est là pour nous. On a eu un long entretien avec eux, dans lequel on a parlé évidemment du côté fan de Peter Capaldi, dans lequel on a parlé du côté un petit peu inédit pour Gina Coleman, d'être une des plus longues compagnons du Docteur. Tout ça, c'est pour vous maintenant. So you are basically a massive fan of the show?
Huge fan, yeah. I mean, it was absolutely one of the most compelling things that happened to me in my life growing up was watching Doctor Who. It became very much a part of my development to the degree that I think I probably became an actor because of Doctor Who. Because I used to always write, I wrote to the actors who played Doctor Who and they'd send me pictures back with autographs, and then on one occasion I wrote to the producer just to say, you know, when is Doctor Who coming back? You know, like the questions you will ask, what's going to happen in the next season? And if you can imagine this ever happening today, it would never happen today. He sent me a script for an episode of the new series that was coming up. And I had never even seen a script for anything. I'd never seen this document that from which they generated a television program. And I was so fascinated by the dialogue and the stage directions and the camera directions. And even had the date on it on when they would be going into the studio. It sort of confirmed with me that I wanted to be part of that world. I don't mean that I wanted to be Doctor Who, although that's how it ended up. But I thought I wanted to be an actor and be part of this whole experience of making television. So yes, it was a very key part of my growing up.
I've been very greedy when it comes to doctors. I'm very spoilt, I think. But it's great. I remember picking up that script of Stephen's Name with the Doctor and reading the first 7 pages and then having to put it down for a second and just thinking this is so brilliant. And it kind of feeds its way into the story in such a lovely way because I feel the bond is so unbreakable and that she's the companion that's been by his side and knows him so well, and it feels like all of that history is unsaid between the two of them, but it's very much there.
Et puis alors on l'a... Non mais, c'est joli Berlin, mais c'est par ici que ça se passe. Ouh. Non mais, par ici, voilà. Alors évidemment, on leur a aussi demandé un peu à quoi on pouvait s'attendre avec la prochaine saison, avec la saison 9, quels étaient les ingrédients, quel était le thème principal de la prochaine saison de Doctor Who.
I suppose how reckless can we be? How much can we? I mean, that's what I'm saying. The theme is. That's not a question. I'm saying, you know, one of the themes is how far can we go?
I suppose it's a question of immortality.
Can't wait. Voilà, comme d'habitude, le reste, vous pourrez le lire dans les différents médias et supports dans lesquels on travaille. Il me reste à remercier France 4 et BBC Worldwide pour ce long entretien avec le Docteur et sa compagne. Et rendez-vous au prochain vidéoblog.